What if I told you that the next millionaire could be you? Not a Wall Street investor, not a tech genius, but an ordinary person who decided to understand crypto before the next big wave hits. Every few years, a new generation of cryptocurrencies emerges and completely changes the lives of those who took action early. The truth is, crypto millionaires are not born, they're made through timing, patience, and knowledge. Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Secrets, the channel where we uncover the strategies, coins, and trends that could turn your passion for crypto into real wealth. Before we dive deep into which cryptocurrencies have millionaire potential, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because the information you're about to hear could shape your financial future. Now, let's be honest, there's no magic coin that guarantees riches overnight. But there are certain cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals, real-world utility, and explosive potential that could make early investors wealthy in the coming years. The goal isn't to gamble, it's to invest smart. To understand which crypto might make you a millionaire, you must first understand what makes a coin valuable in the first place. The foundation of millionaire-making cryptos. The crypto market is driven by utility, technology, adoption, and scarcity. A coin doesn't become valuable just because people talk about it. It becomes valuable when it solves real problems, gains real users, and has a limited supply. Take Bitcoin, for example. It was the first decentralized digital currency. With a capped supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin has become digital gold. Those who bought it for a few dollars a decade ago are now millionaires. Then came Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts, the backbone of decentralized applications, DApps, NFTs, and DeFi. Ethereum changed crypto forever, giving rise to thousands of projects built on its network. People who believed in Ethereum early, when it was under $100, made life-changing returns when it soared past $4,000. These stories aren't just luck, they're lessons in identifying real innovation early. Top cryptos with millionaire potential. Now, let's talk about some cryptocurrencies that could make smart investors rich in the years ahead. First is Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto. Even though it's the most mature and widely known, Bitcoin still has the power to multiply your wealth, especially if adoption continues and institutional investors keep buying. With global acceptance growing, Bitcoin is no longer just an investment, it's becoming a hedge against inflation, a store of value for the digital age. Next is Ethereum, ETH, still one of the strongest long-term plays in crypto. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade and proof-of-stake mechanism have made it faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. It continues to dominate the DeFi and NFT space, and its ecosystem keeps expanding. Another major contender is Solana, SOL, known for its incredible speed and low transaction fees. Solana supports thousands of decentralized apps and is rapidly becoming a hub for blockchain gaming and digital art. If it maintains stability and scalability, Solana could be one of the best performing cryptos in the next bull run. Then we have Polygon, Matic, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. As more projects struggle with high gas fees on Ethereum, Polygon offers faster and cheaper transactions, which is why so many developers are moving to it. Avalanche, AVAX, and Chainlink, Link, are also worth watching. Avalanche is built for decentralized finance and enterprise adoption, while Chainlink provides crucial data infrastructure for smart contracts, something the entire DeFi ecosystem relies on. And finally, don't ignore AI-based cryptocurrencies like Fetch.ai, FET, SingularityNet, AGIX, and Render, RNDR. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are merging fast, and these projects could explode in value as AI becomes a bigger part of daily life. The hidden gem concept. While the top coins offer stability, the real millionaire makers often come from emerging altcoins, the ones with small market caps but big visions. These are riskier, but they offer the highest returns if chosen wisely. The key is to find projects that solve real-world problems, have a strong, transparent team, show consistent development progress, build partnerships or attract institutional attention. Before investing in any low-cap coin, study its white paper, roadmap, and community support. Most people lose money in crypto because they chase hype instead of understanding value. You don't need to buy hundreds of coins. You need to pick a few powerful ones, hold with conviction, and follow their growth over time. Timing and strategy matter more than luck. Buying the right coin is only half the battle. Timing and strategy make the real difference. The crypto market moves in cycles, usually following Bitcoin's halving events every 4 years. During bull markets, everything rises. During bear markets, everything falls. The best time to invest is when fear dominates, when prices are low and everyone else has given up. If you can learn to control your emotions, buy when others are afraid, and sell when others are greedy, you'll already be ahead of 90% of investors. Consistent investing through dollar-cost averaging, DCA, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, can help smooth out market volatility and build long-term wealth without stress. The millionaire mindset. Becoming a crypto millionaire isn't just about luck or timing, it's about having the right mindset. Most people quit too early. They buy high during hype and sell low during panic. Real wealth in crypto is built by people who study, stay patient, and make logical decisions. Instead of chasing every new meme coin, focus on learning market cycles, technical analysis, and on-chain data. Also, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one coin. Spread your investments across Bitcoin, Ethereum, a few promising altcoins, and maybe a stablecoin reserve. This way, your portfolio stays balanced even when the market becomes unpredictable. Another major factor is security. Many traders lose their fortunes not from bad trades but from poor security habits. Always store your cryptocurrencies in hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, and never share your private keys. Remember, in crypto, you are your own bank. Protect your assets like the next crypto millionaire. So, which crypto will make you a millionaire? The truth is, it's not just about the coin, it's about the person behind the investment. The ones who study the market, stay consistent, and invest with vision, they are the ones who win. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or an emerging gem we haven't heard of yet, the opportunity is massive for those willing to learn and take action. Crypto isn't just a market, it's a revolution, a shift in how wealth and value are created. The next crypto millionaire could be sitting right there, watching this video, taking notes, and preparing for the next bull run. That person could be you. If this video inspired you or gave you new insights, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another opportunity in the crypto world. Leave a comment below and tell us which coin you believe will make the next wave of crypto millionaires. Thank you for watching Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where we turn knowledge into wealth and ambition into freedom. Remember, stay curious, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Your millionaire journey begins today, only on Crypto Millionaire Secrets.